Namaste students, good morning to all. Last class we have seen Keralka Rajkumar chapter 2 first half story. First half alone we have seen. Today we are going to see the balance story. Before going to see today's class, I am going to give you recap once. Okay, listen. What is the name of the story? Keralka Rajkumar. It means Prince of Kerala. Okay, listen. People were very happy and prosperous in King Rajavarma's kingdom of Kerala. Okay, the kingdom abundant in wealth and prosperity. Okay, people also were very honest, hardworking, and respected their king. Okay, traders came from far and wide to trade in the kingdom of Rajavarman. Okay, traders used to give bags full of gold and silver in return for spices and lumber. Okay, the kingdom was getting wealthy in leaps and bounds. Okay, the king had only one son. His name is Ravivarman, but he is very selfish and arrogant because of over pampering by his servants. Okay, the king tried hard to make his son Ravivarman responsible, but he seemed to have no concern for the affairs of the kingdom. Okay, Rajavarman lost his sleep. The king Rajavarman lost his sleep, brooding over what would happen of his kingdom after his death. Time was running fast, but Ravivarman did not have any sense of his duties. Okay, because of the stress, the king Rajavarman died one day. Okay, after Rajavarman died, Prince Ravivarman sat on the throne. He expelled capable ministers from the court and appointed his selfish friends on important positions in the court. Now Prince Ravivarman started conducting the kingdom on the advice of his inexperienced and foolish friends. Okay, as the royal treasury depleted slowly and gradually. Ravivarman put new taxation to the people of the country. Okay, advance payment was taken from the Arabian traders. When the trader didn't get goods in return for their advance payment, they decided to depart from the country. There was no one to hear the please worries of the people. Arabian traders started to leave the kingdom on their ships on a new moon night. When the gods informed the king about this, he couldn't believe this also. Okay, now Ravivarman sent for his father's able minister. They were upset over their disgrace, hence didn't come. Okay, up to this we have seen in last class. Now we are going to see the continuation. Listen, Raja ko here, where it is means here, from here. Okay, राजा को अपनी गलती का एहसास हो गया. उसे अपने पिता की बातें याद आई. Okay, now he realized his mistake. The king realized, Ravivarman realized his mistake. He remembered what his father used to say. Okay, उसकी आंखें खुली गई थी. It was an eye opener for Ravivarman, the prince. Okay, Ravivarman ने मित्रों को पद से हटा दिया. What he did means Ravivarman fired his friends. Okay, because of all your advice I did like this like that. He fired his friends. Ravivarman उदास और परेशान था. उसने धन की देवी लक्ष्मी की प्रतिष्ठा में बनवाए गए मंदिर में जाकर प्रार्थना करने का विचार किया. Okay, he was very sad and troubled. He thought of going and praying in the temple constructed in the honor of goddess of wealth, which is Lakshmi god. Okay, next page. स्नान करके देवी के दर्शन के विचार से जैसे ही रविवर्मन समुद्र की ओर बढ़ा, उसे लगा जैसे सीढ़ियों में कोई बैठा है. उसने पूछा कौन है वहाँ. Just as Ravivarman advanced towards the sea with the intention of praying to goddess after bathing in the temple constructed on the seashore, he felt that someone was sitting in the staircase. யாரோ படியில உட்கார்ந்திருக்காங்க. Okay, listen. उत्तर ने मिलने पर उसने अपने प्रश्न दोहराया. उत्तर मिला, मैं एक राजी जोड़कर जा रही हूँ. ओके, आवाज आई, मुझे अब यह नगर अच्छा नहीं लगता. ओके, he asked to that stranger, who is there? Not getting any answer, he repeated his question again. The answer came to Ravivarman. The answer came, I am leaving this kingdom. Like that, the answer came from that side. Okay. He asked again, but why you are leaving this country? Like that, he asked again. The voice came, I don't like this city now. Like that, the answer came. Okay. Is Raji ka Raja murkha hai? What the voice saying means, listen, the king of this kingdom is unwise. Unwise means foolish. Who is speaking to that person, that stranger? King only know. But the stranger is telling the king of the country is very foolish. So I am going to leave this country. Like that the voice replied. Okay. जब उसके मन में मेरे लिए कोई आदर नहीं है तो मैं यहाँ क्यों रहूँ? रविवर्मन समझ गया कि वे लक्ष्मी जी हैं, राजलक्ष्मी हैं। राजा ने कहा, राजा अनुभवहीन और नासमझ है। ओके, when he doesn't have any feeling of respect for me in his heart, then why should I live here? Like that the voice replied. Ravivarman understood that she was the royal goddess. Who is she? She is the goddess. Okay, he didn't give respect also, so God is also not like to stay there. Like that only happening. Okay. King is inexperienced. The king said, the king is inexperienced and immature. ओके, राजा की प्रार्थना करने पर भी राजलक्ष्मी ने जब जाने का ही निश्चय कर लिया तो राजा ने हाथ जोड़कर कहा, आप मेरी एक प्रार्थना स्वीकार कीजिए. ओके, when the royal goddess decided to leave, even when the king prayed to her, the king said with folded hands, please accept my one request. The king said with folded hands, what he said, please accept my one request. Like that he said. Okay, listen what he said, we will see. मैं समुद्र में स्नान करने जा रहा हूँ. अमूल्य मोतियों की मेरी इस माला को आप मेरे लौट आने तक अपने पास रखिए. Okay, what he said means, I am going to take a bath in the sea. Please keep my precious pearl request with you till I return. What he said, what his request to the royal goddess means, I am going to take bath in the sea. Until my return, you have to keep safe, please. Keep safe this precious pearl necklace with you, please. Like that he requested. Okay. आप मेरी प्रतीक्षा करेंगी न? देवी ने कहा, अवश्य. रविवर्मन देवी के प्रति सम्मान प्रकट करते हुए स्नान करने पानी में उतरता गया. धीरे धीरे समुद्र की लहरें ऊंची होती गई. रविवर्मन पूरी तरह पानी के अंदर जा चुका था. Okay, he said, keep this like that. He said, you will wait for me, won't you? Like that he asked. The goddess said, definitely, I will wait till you are returned. Like that. Ravivarman paid his reverence toward the goddess and stepped down in the water to bath. Gradually, the sea waves rose higher. Ravivarman was completely submerged in water. Okay, listen. अगले दिन अरब व्यापारियों के जहाज समुद्र के किनारे आने लगे. अरब व्यापारियों ने बताया कि जितने भी व्यापारी वहां आए, उन सबका यही कहना था कि वे स्वयं यहाँ नहीं आए हैं, बल्कि समुद्र की तेज लहरें उन्हें यहाँ ले आई हैं. यहाँ आकर उन्होंने देखा कि राजा के वस्त्र मंदिर की सीटियों पर पड़े हैं और राजा समुद्र के सर पर अचेत पड़े हुए हैं. राजा की मणियों की माला मंदिर की देवी लक्ष्मी के गले में है. लिसन what Ravivarman did. He went to, he stepped down in the water to bath. Gradually the sea waves rose higher. Ravivarman was completely submerged in water. Next day, ships of Arabian traders started coming to the seashore. Arabian traders told that as many traders had come there, they all said they had not come there on their own, but the high speed sea waves had brought them there. Okay, after reaching that, they saw that the king's clothes were lying on the stairs of the temple, and the king was lying unconscious on the sea. So the precious pearl necklace of the king was around the neck of goddess Lakshmi of the temple. Okay, what do you understand? That God saved because Ravi Varman realized his mistake, so God saved everything. He is going to get back now. Okay, children. So in our work, we should not delay our work. We have to do our duties correctly, so that only Ravi Varman suffered a lot. Okay, children. Stay home, stay healthy. Thank you.